What makes me most proud is the fact that I see my wife and my kids see me get up every day and they look at me and they understand what hard work looks like now. That's what makes me most proud. Well, I learned about access to manufacturing through towards employment. I was a person that wanted to learn how to have a career and not just a job. So I went through towards employment and they actually referred me to Magnet, which is access to manufacturing. I came in with an attitude of really wanting to learn, really wanting a career, and I really just came in, took it serious. Coming to Access, they're here to get you a career, not just a job. And that's the one thing that I really love about Access. They're here to root for you. Manufacturing changed my life. I'm actually able to have 401k, something that I always thought about. I'm able to provide for my family more. I have a savings in my savings account. They put me in a better position where I've been there for a short period of time, but I already had a raise off my production. They won't put you in a position to fail. They put you in a position to succeed. They just treat you like family. It's like once you're here, you're family forever. I feel like working at Jergens, there's no ceiling there. I came in doing jobs that a lot of people might not want to do. But I wanted to come in and put my stamp on the company. I wanted to show them what I had learned at Access to Manufacturing. So I actually already have done over 7 jobs already, 7 different machines, and I just love it there. I love the fact that I have a career. I'm not in a position where I'm just clock watching, just trying to get my 8 in and go. I mean, there's days when I just, wow, it's time to leave already, you know? I love it so much that I do so much overtime, man, because I just love being there. Just learning new things and things like that is just great for me. It's more than just manufacturing. I mean, when you're there, it's like family there. From all the way from the top, from owner Jack, his sons, Matt, plant manager Randy. I mean, these guys have open door policy. I mean, you can just approach them and they know everybody's name. From the person who's licking stamps, sending them out, to the person who's running the most impressive machine there. Jergens will be a part of my life forever. It's just a great company to be at. I see myself being a supervisor. Just take it all the way up, maybe to a plant manager. Right now, I'm just learning everything that I possibly can, put myself in better positions to advance my career. They root for you there. Like, they're like, hey, go for it. We want to see you succeed. We want more people to grow and grow and grow.